Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to be cleaning out my front entryway closet. It's so bad. I'm low-key embarrassed to be showing you guys this, but it just kind of got crazy after I cleaned it the last time, and it became a space where you just threw junk and closed the door and didn't look at it again. So we need to get this fixed up. Okay, so we've gotten everything taken out of the closet, and y'all just look at this. Look at that. That is ridiculous. All of the crumbs and nastiness that was left on the floor. Like, I'm just so happy that I finally went and cleaned out this closet because it was just getting too crazy. So now we're about to go ahead and vacuum it all up, clean everything up from off the floor in there, and then start putting everything back in. Now, for the shoes, I wanted to have some type of storage in this closet because as you saw before, we didn't have nothing. We was just kicking the shoes around everywhere in the front. So we needed somewhere to put our shoes and hide them away from the world. So I got these two storage shelving things from Target. They were about $10 each, pretty cheap. I was just trying to do something simple. I wasn't trying to do nothing super fancy or nothing. And look at me over here trying to figure out how to open this dang box. Like it. So we're gonna put up two of those. We've been living with this for a while, and I can honestly say that I needed three. With a house full of people and who keep shoes downstairs, like definitely need a third one.
I'd rather be with you. Yeah, yeah. I'd rather be with you. I'd rather be with you. Yeah, yeah. I'd rather be with you. I'd rather be with you. Yeah. 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 Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I'd rather be with you until I die. Oh, yes, I do. I'd rather be with you until I die. Go far away. I'd rather be with you until I die. Oh, yes, I do. I'd rather be with you until I die. Go far away. I'd rather be with you. Yeah, yeah. I'd rather be with you. I'd rather be with you. Yeah, yeah. I'd rather be with you.